In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find uncleared and unreconciled transactions in QBO. If you need to quickly review transactions that have not yet been reconciled in a specific account, QuickBooks Online gives you a simple way to filter the register so you only see those items. This is especially helpful when you're checking for missing entries, reviewing bookkeeping work, or preparing for your next reconciliation. To begin, go to the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen. This is where you'll find several settings and lists related to your company file. Once you click there, select Chart of Accounts. That will open the full list of accounts in your business, including bank accounts, credit cards, and other account types. From the Chart of Accounts, choose the account you want to review for unreconciled transactions. Make sure you're selecting the correct account, since the results will only apply to that specific register. After you've found the account, click View Register. This opens the account register where you can see all the activity recorded for that account. Next, look toward the top left area of the register and click the filter icon. This will allow you to narrow down what transactions are displayed. In the filter options, find Reconcile Status and change it to Not Reconciled. This tells QuickBooks Online to show only the transactions that have not yet been marked as reconciled. Once that's selected, click Apply. Right away, the register will refresh and display only the unreconciled transactions for the account you selected. This makes it much easier to focus on the entries that still need attention without sorting through everything else in the register. A useful tip here is to double-check that you're in the correct account before applying the filter, especially if you manage multiple bank or credit card accounts. If the list seems incomplete, it may simply mean some transactions have already been reconciled, or that you're reviewing a different register than expected, and that's it. After applying the Not Reconciled filter, the register will only show uncleared and unreconciled transactions for that selected account, giving you a quick and efficient way to review what still needs to be reconciled in QuickBooks Online.